The growing popularity of electric vehicles with advanced technology, but such reasonable costs. The growing popularity of electric vehicles, EVs, with advanced technology at reasonable costs can be attributed to several factors. Advancements in battery technology. One of the key factors driving the popularity of electric vehicles is the continuous improvement in battery technology. Advancements in lithium-ion batteries, along with research into alternative battery chemistries, have led to increased energy density, longer range, and reduced costs. Economies of scale. As the production of electric vehicles has increased, manufacturers have benefited from economies of scale. Larger production volumes allow companies to spread fixed costs across more units, reducing the overall cost per vehicle. Government incentives. Many governments around the world are offering incentives to promote the adoption of electric vehicles. These incentives may include tax credits, rebates, and subsidies, making electric vehicles more attractive to consumers. Reduced maintenance costs. Electric vehicles generally have fewer moving parts compared to traditional internal combustion engine vehicles. This results in lower maintenance costs over the lifespan of the vehicle, making EVs more cost-effective in the long run. Improved charging infrastructure. The expansion of charging infrastructure has alleviated concerns about range anxiety among potential EV buyers. The development of fast-charging stations and an increase in the number of charging points make it more convenient for users to charge their vehicles. Environmental awareness. Growing environmental concerns and an increased awareness of climate change have led consumers to consider more sustainable transportation options. Electric vehicles produce zero tailpipe emissions and are seen as a cleaner alternative to traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. Competition among manufacturers. The electric vehicle market has become highly competitive, with many automakers investing heavily in research and development to produce high-quality, technologically advanced EVs. This competition has resulted in better features and performance at competitive prices. Innovations in design and features. Electric vehicles are not only becoming more affordable, but also more stylish and feature-rich. Innovations in design, connectivity, and autonomous driving technologies contribute to the overall appeal of electric vehicles. Consumer awareness and education. As consumers become more educated about the benefits of electric vehicles, they are more likely to consider them as viable alternatives. Increased awareness about the environmental impact of traditional vehicles and the advantages of EVs has contributed to their growing popularity. Global trends and regulations. Many countries are setting ambitious targets for reducing carbon emissions and promoting sustainable transportation. This has led to the implementation of regulations favouring electric vehicles, further encouraging manufacturers to invest in and produce affordable EVs. As these factors continue to evolve and improve, the popularity of electric vehicles will likely continue to grow, contributing to a more sustainable and environmentally friendly future for the automotive industry. Thank you for hitting the like button, subscribing to my channel, and sharing my videos with your friends.